Hello, my name is Rahul Vijay Pancham. I am working as an assistant professor in Agasti College, Akole's English department. Today we are actually celebrating 19th June as a reading day, which is actually we are honoring as P.N. Panikar, who actually initiated the movement of library in Kerala, and we are actually telling people to read the books and suggesting them which is the best book or which is the good book. Today actually I have selected a book written by Ernest Hemingway. This is actually the book, The Old Man and the Sea. The book is actually just have 100 pages, but this is actually the book which helped Ernest Hemingway to win a Nobel Prize. He is actually an American author, but spent most of his life in Cuba. When this book was actually published, one of the most famous author, another author, Anthony Burgess, he says that Hemingway's writing is unsurpassed. It means that there is no equal as far as Hemingway's writing is concerned. Every word tells and there is not word to me. It means that his sentences are very short, because Ernest Hemingway's writing is very easy for even a common man or common reader to understand. Even a children can actually read it. But as we all know that writing is of two types. Sometimes it teaches and sometimes it actually just gives us an information. His writing is actually of the first type. He actually his writing is of a fable. It means that it tells us a story, but it ends with a thought, a particular thought, which thought can help us to live our life better. The same way in this novel, there is actually an old fisherman who had just one dream, to catch a big fish, a fish that so far no one has caught. But it is very difficult for him to get a fish. The main reason is that he is very old. But when one day he decides to get a fish, he just take his boat and sail too far from the shore. Then after 51 days without getting a fish, he says that I'm actually now helpless. I cannot actually get a fish. But suddenly he get a fish which is actually much more bigger than his boat. But at one point he thinks that is he actually able to get that fish or not, but he get the courage and get that fish. But when he understands that the fish is much bigger, he cannot actually take that fish to the shore. He realizes that this is the only thing he can actually do something bigger in his life. And then he hold that fish for 3 days. Then he somehow manages that fish to get it back on the shore. But when he back on the shore, he realizes that he has not actually got a fish. His fish has been actually eaten by some other fishes which are actually much bigger. He get only a skeleton. Then he become extremely what we can say that sad. He says that whatever I did actually got nothing. Then he is actually given a courage by a small boy. That small boy actually becomes he is a father, we can say that. Sometimes boys becomes a guide to us. In the same way, he tells that fisherman that please drink this tea so that you can actually get some courage. That time the old man says that don't sit up. The boy said drink this. He poured some of the coffee in a glass. The old man took it and drank it. Even now the old man is actually thinking about just that fish, which is actually the manolin. They truly beat me. Still he thinks that the fish beat him. But at the end of, he says that man cannot be defeated until he says that I am defeated. It means that his lines are actually very encouraging for all of us. We should not actually concede our defeat. When we concede our defeat, only then we are actually defeated. It means that we should always be very positive. Just like this old fisherman, which actually tells us a lot. Okay.